is up, guys? It's been a long time since I uploaded anything. I've been busy working. I've been busy with life in general, and it's been straight out lazy. But lately I've been feeling motivated again to make videos and edit them and upload them. And I still have a few videos I haven't edited and uploaded. But today we're gonna do a few cool things. Besides little maintenance things we're gonna check up on. My rear latch doesn't open. The rear trunk, or the hatch, or the boot. Where are you from? In whatever it is that you call it. The rear. Now, they have a tendency to go out, and the actuators don't work. Now, they do. Before you go on saying, oh, they have a safety pin, you can pull it, blah, blah, blah. The pin is located right behind that hole. The little lever, and you pull. But I guess they got stuck before and it's damaged or something. We have here another one, and this is what that little lever I'm talking to you about. So when it's, one second. So when it's closed, it doesn't change, see? But you go in and lets it go of it. Now this is the entire mechanism right here. This is not a factory Volkswagen one. I decided to take my luck and buy one from Amazon. And I mean, so the construction seems solid. It feels nice, heavy. The locking mechanism clicks and actually works. And of course, this fucking works. So I'm pretty sure that's the original, but I'm not 100% sure. I've experienced small issues with it before, but never to this point where it completely failed and the safety latch mechanism thing is also failed and broken or whatever it is. So we're gonna replace this, and we have a little goodie. I've been looking up these, and I know a lot of people want to wreck me for this, but I mean, you can't kill the guy for trying. You know, again, this is the reason I got it, because it's super cheap. The build quality looks decent. I may have to get little studs longer than this, and voila, a spacer. And any of you in the Volkswagen community know what this does. It makes your car sound a little more like it has a blow-off valve to atmosphere. Now there are countless people saying that this can't give you a check engine light code or something like that. A lot of people say no, especially for this is not a forged product or anything like that. This is simply like a replica. This thing cost me like $15, so I was like, you know what, let's buy it. $15. If I like it, if I even like the remote sound of it, you know, I'll get a nice original one similar to this, or the one that Mighty Car Mod sponsored one time, the Go Fast bits or some shit like that. And I'll get that out there like $50. You know, it seems cool and it sounds like it'll work. Let me see, but something pretty much I did extra is only just added, you know, this longer bolt, because the bolts that come with it, they're a little short. They're a little on the short side. See, these are they come a little short side, especially when you put the. So this is how it goes. It goes into the, as you say, the turbo inlet or outlet, and then on top right here sits the actual DV. So what happens is when, you know, boost pressure or opens and closes the DV, the valve sits in here. It opens or closes and it lets some air in and out. So yeah, that's what happens. I don't know about much about in air, but it's more about blowing out air. But like I said, most people have problems with these because I believe it also is because it runs a stock tune, and they can't read proper ratios. So I think that's the reason to get it. Hopefully we don't run into any troubles with this, but that's also today. I am gonna be replacing a PVC hose in the back. I lost this piece. I have no idea what the fuck happened to it, and we're gonna replace it. But first and foremost, I gotta replace this shit. Hopefully by then, I didn't even check when it popped out. No, maybe, and then we'll do the spacer, and then we'll see how that runs. Hopefully it doesn't give us any issue. Yeah, so let's get the day started. But first, oh shit, let's have our coffee. By the way, it is out, and I got myself my heated hoodie from Milwaukee. Not sponsored, by the way. It would have been cool, but I'm just nobody in this world right now. So alone. I'm stuck in a particular situation where I can't get this open, so I can't even get the skin off, the trunk off. So my main goal is to take the skin off, but this is getting in the way, so I'm gonna take these off on both sides and then move on from there. Alright, my plan worked of removing those side panels. Just there's a bolt gonna be right there against this, and then you're gonna have to pop a little cover here next to the bolt. I used a T20. I think a T25 would work best, but I don't have it with me. Oh shit. Alright. And then you just literally pop the cover. All you gotta do is take those two bolts, like I said, on this side too, and you just pull on it, get under it, and just pull on it, and then it'll pop off. Now to the real shit. There it is. That's the module. Not up here. This one right here. Seems like a lot harder now because I thought the screws would be easy to access, and it looks like it's not easy to access whatsoever. I'm looking at it. I'm trying to see, maybe I could finagle. So it's like so. Yeah, and those are the bolts on the side. Those two little black studs next to it. I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah, the ones right next to the connect. Where's my finger? Right there. Same thing on the side. They're right. It's right next to each other. I'm trying to see if I could finagle the safety latch to pop it. Trying to see what I can do right now. There's a connector piece. Shit. Let me brainstorm and I'll get back to you guys. Guys, holy shit. The fucking struggle I went through. So this is what I did. If you ever catch yourself that the safety latch is not working, you're gonna have to either two things. A, dismantle the living shit out of it and take a Dremel and cut it right there, which I was about to do. Or B, just yeet the fuck out of the mechanism that's on top, which that's what I did. See, it goes in like this. Put in a flathead, another flathead, pried it down, pop goes the weasel, uncover this, and then the latch, this little, let me get my screw, this little black one, push it to the side, and voila. Oh my god. Bruh. This, apparently this safe, I guess the safety latch right here, see? So it locked. So then the safety latch wouldn't push open. That little tab, this black tab that's right there. So you pull it and there you go. So if that happens to you, take a flathead, pry it through, take the other one, pry it through, and yeet that bitch out. Now I bent this shit off, but I'm gonna bend it back into proportion. See, as you can see, it's a little bent, but drastic measures. Alright guys, drastic fucking measures for this bullshit. Yeeted this bitch out, man. Time to install a new one now. Alright guys, from here it's pretty straightforward. You remove this fucking shit latch out the way. You are gonna need it. 8mm or 8 size 8 triple square, and both go out here. They're all pretty tight, so you might want to take an impact or be careful when taking these off because these strip those bolts easily. Everything's on there. Now we're gonna put them all back together. That's how I'm doing it. Tighten by hand, of course. Take the little. Of course, I cut this shit to make it into a little tiny stud, but they come long. But yeah, look at this shit hand tight. Don't eat it all the way. Of course, before you actually put everything back, how about you test it by connecting everything? So connect this bitch. There you go. So you plug it in, try it, bring down the latch. Bam, bruh. Try it again. Open the latch and it works. That's a bitch. So I saw there was I didn't mention, but I saw there was water, and I'm thinking there's water leaking through here, so I'm gonna create an RTV gasket and put it here so water doesn't leak through and damage that one and have the same fucking issue. But there it is. Everything's back together. Tighten this bitch up. Oh, damn it. You don't have to be as obnoxious as I am. You could just take it, take a ratchet and just do it. Figure that makes a lot of noise. And no, I'm not torquing these down. I know, I don't know. No, I'm not gonna look it up. I'm just gonna go hand tight. Quarter turn. That's it, guys. This isn't pretty much an 8mm bolt. Just take it easy. These things. Oh, but it might come loose. No, relax. Jesus Christ. Right, fucking torque Nazis out there. So in the process of fixing this, I broke my tripod. Got the trim halfway done already. The bottom trim. Side trim is almost done. Gotta put a bolt there, cover up that hole. Same thing with this side. Now, these pillars have two plastic grommet screws that go into the body of it. Make sure you line those up before you press shit in or smack it in, because they're gonna break. This is how I broke this one, but nothing affects it. But still, just a word of caution. You're gonna zap this one in, zap that one in, put this panel back on. As you can see, it's still shit. I don't know what you can see. There you go. So all the exposed shit. I'm gonna try to figure out if I should do this, find a plastic one, or I think I have. So before I put this back on, I'm gonna put some RTV on it, and hopefully that'll stop this leak and not mess this one up. But yeah, this I'm afraid of right now because it's a little fucked up. I'm trying to see if bang it into place or it's okay like that. Then after that, clean the entire back. Look at this shit. Tools are just trying to pry this shit out. But back to work. Alright, like I said, put a little bit of RTV on it. A little bit. OD'd on it. Hopefully it doesn't come and bite me in the ass, but better than leaking and damaging the components again and damaging anything else inside. So hopefully that's the end of that. I'm gonna put a door skin, and that's done. And then we're gonna move on to the second install, which is the blow off valve spacer, or diverter valve spacer. Sorry for you guys. So let's get the stupid piece on the road and clean this fucking mess. What is up, guys? So hope you found the video very helpful, and if you run into the same issues I did with the safety latch not working properly, you kind of saw how I got through with it. But the latch, I got it on Amazon for a pretty good price. I'll link it down below so you guys can get it if you guys are in a budget. I've had it for close to a month and had no issue with it or no errors. The other thing too, I do suggest you getting a triple square set. The one I used on there was a 8mm, like I said. So try to get one. They're pretty good price sometimes too. You get them for like anything from 15 to 25 bucks. So it's not a bad investment if you're going to be working on your car. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys are in the New York area, Long Island area, I'll be in the Toys for Tots on December 2nd. If you guys are interested, you guys see me, say what's up. If any of you do watch me out there. But you guys have a good night. I'll see you guys on the next one.